DJT stock tomorrow. Is it a buy? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. So Trump Media stock is actually just climbing and climbing and climbing, and it is 4.4% up today. What's my idea on it? Obviously, I'm looking to just double down on this decent bullish momentum and trend that we're actually setting. This is by no means me saying I'm just going to randomly buy whatever the price is. No. All I'm sticking to is a strategy that I've refined over the last 30,000 videos that I've made. And from what I can see with DJT is exactly this, right? I wanted to pull back down into my demand area. Let me just pull this. Like, obviously, in order for me to buy, I want to see like a retrace, a decent retrace. I'm not going to buy at the top by no means. And that is less likely to happen. What's more likely to happen? We just make new highs, and I'm okay with this, right? So stay tuned. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.